Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to claim your reward voucher on Binance. So maybe you have already participated on trading competition, and if you want to claim your voucher, your reward voucher, I will show you how in this video. So first you can open your Binance apps and then go to your search box here in the top, and then you can tap rewards hub, and you can click this one, and then it will bring you to this reward hub. You can see there is two voucher here, so I will just use it, and it's success, and I will just click view wallet, and then it will brings me to this spot wallet. As you can see, I already have my 22 Eden token. I will just click it. As you can see, this is the details, and yeah, I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.